That's okay with me. More jobs.
You're rolling.
Are you gonna give us a play-by-play? Tell us what you're doing.
I'm gonna see about taking out some RAM from this laptop, which is a Dell D600. And here they are, or lack thereof.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead and go back one.
Open it. There's a gift.
Okay, go back one more.
It's a special gift.
Really?
It wasn't me. Okay.
You guys suck. Okay, so here's the RAM, which was so helpfully removed earlier.
It's SO-DIMM.
This is why it wasn't working. This was some
Totally
troubleshooting skills, obviously.
SO-DIMM.
I've never heard of SO-DIMM.
What is this DIMM A and B? Is it significant?
Not really. You can put RAM wherever. It'll find it no matter what.
Yeah. Okay, so you got it downloaded.
Stick it in from the side.
Okay, PDF documents. Keep them. Yeah, but it's not going to be it's not going to be the manual.
Alright. So there's that, and you can stop filming.
Oh, we don't want to put that case back on.
There you go.
Very meticulous.
Ridiculous.
It was only like a minute 40 seconds. You know, we need a longer video than that. Come on.
There we go.